Stop for a moment and look at your hands. They are made of atoms forged billions of years ago in the heart of a dying star. Every element in your body was once part of a nebula. But the biological energy that keeps those atoms moving, it doesn't come from the stars, it comes from the mud. It comes from a thin, living layer of earth just beneath your feet. Today, we spend trillions searching for a single sign of life on Mars, while we allow the most complex ecosystem in the known universe, the one under our fingernails, to turn into silent dust. This is the soil paradox. We treat the ground like a permanent stage, but topsoil is a slow-motion miracle. According to the UN, it can take up to 1,000 years for nature to create just 1 inch of topsoil. 1,000 years of rock weathering and organic decay. In a single teaspoon of that soil, there are more living organisms than there are humans on this entire planet. But here is the reality of the 21st century. On industrial croplands, we are losing that soil up to 100 times faster than nature can replace it. We aren't just farming, we are mining a non-renewable resource. 1/3 of the Earth's land is already degraded. If current trends continue, 90% of our planet's surface will be compromised by 2050. We are skinning our only home and calling it progress. Why don't we see it? Because we have developed a psychology of separation. We live in concrete boxes, eat from plastic wrappers, and look at digital screens. We have forgotten that every breath of oxygen and every calorie we consume is a direct gift from the dirt. When the soil degrades, the water cycle breaks. When the water disappears, the carbon sink fails. We are a species with our eyes on the horizon, yet we are cutting the very roots that hold us upright. Nearly 2 billion people are already living on land that can no longer feed them. We are cosmic royalty, currently choosing a future of dust. Think of the Earth as an apple. The crust is the skin. It's remarkably thin. But the topsoil, the part that actually keeps us alive, is thousands of times thinner than that skin. It is a microscopic film on a rock hurtling through a vacuum. Beyond that film is 4,000 miles of iron and fire. And above it, the cold, radiation-filled void of space. We are currently terraforming the only garden we have ever known. We talk of colonizing a dead, red rock like Mars, while we turn our lush, blue marble into a desert. It is the ultimate human irony, searching for a home in the heavens while we set fire to the only one that loves us. We don't need a new Earth, we need a new way of seeing the one we have. Saving the soil is the ultimate psychological challenge. It requires us to realize that we aren't on this planet. We are this planet. If you want to expand your mind and reconnect with the systems that sustain you, join us. We are exploring the deep links between humanity, the environment, and the cosmos. Subscribe to my channel. Let's protect the ground that allows us to look at the sky before the silence becomes permanent.